Strawberry cow makeup. Let's do it. Let the games begin. Look, it's like cow horns. Cows have horns. They do. You just get stuck in. Ooh. Gonna use my strawberry sponge to blend. It's only right. Quick comment a strawberry emoji if you like strawberries. It's so cute. I kind of don't want to make it messy, but it can't just stay and look cute forever. It has to live life. Time to blend. Go, little strawberry sponge, go. I think this might take me a while. Let's set this face in place. Oh no, I'm running out of powder. Not now. Can you see there's only a teeny tiny bit left in there? Let's add some colour. Contour with pink eyeshadow. I'm trying to be light-handed so it has a nice fade. It can be a bit messy. It doesn't have to be too neat because I'm going to be going over it with face paint anyway. Get a bit of pink on the nose. Very subtle. Just a dust of colour. Bit of pink on the outer corner. Add a little bit of red. That wasn't a little bit. A lot of it. Hang on. Soften up those edges. Bring it into my crease a little bit. Just a little bit. Not sure if I like it, but let's carry on. Carry on. Going right in my inner corner and bringing it down to my eye bags because I want like the nose bridge or the space between my eyes to look a lot bigger. So hopefully this will help with that illusion. To darken it a little bit, I'm just going in with a darker red. Or burgundy. I'm seeing the vision. Cleaning up the line with some of that white paint. Using that burgundy shade to darken up this outer corner. Blend it outwards. Ow! Okay, I decided to add this little area here. I don't know what I'm kind of going for. Maybe to make the eye look a bit bigger. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Okay. Adding red to the eyebrows. A bit more of the darker red to the mouth area. Ooh! Too much dark red. It's fine. I'll just blend it out. Oh, I'm making it worse. I look like I'm doing Joker smile. Why so serious? I'm going to go in with the sponge that has the white on it just to kind of soften that up a bit because that was way too harsh. Oh, okay. I softened it up too much. And here. Okay. The lips are starting to look way better. Adding that darker shade to the nose as well. Blend. Let's go in with that white sponge just to soften up this part. With a little bit of black eyeshadow to darken it up even more. Strawberry break. What a bite. Yum. I've decided to go for like a strawberry shape cow patch since it's a strawberry cow. Duh. I fill all of this area in red, so I guess it's pretty pointless to do my eyebrows and the eyeshadow. Wasted my own time. Strawberries all filled in red. Twins, triplets. Another little strawberry here. It kind of looks like a little love heart. Oh, a random blob here. Alright, here's where we're at with the spots. I may have got a little bit carried away, but I think it looks alright. Hit the like button if you agree. Fill them all in red. Shading in the patches too. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. I don't know if I should leave some like white patches. What do I do? Moo. Oh, it's looking way better with the little green on it now. Move on to the body. I'm gonna cover it in white and blend it out. Fill it all in. Going in with the shading. Strawberry. We're going in with the yellow. I need to add the little seed details. Randomly do some little dots and drag it down a little bit. Let's do one here. White face paint and add in dots. Look how much better that looks. Ooh. I decided to outline all the strawberries with white. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot to add the body shading. Highlighter time. A bit to the nose. On the lips. Might as well add a little bit here to the center of the eye. Some in the middle of these patches. Contact lenses. I'm thinking red, of course. For the strawberries and that. Oh, no. Okay. There we go. Here's how it looks. Or I could do green to match the green on the strawberries. Now let's just move on to lashes. Secure the first lash. Ooh, like a butterfly. Wig time. This is the black. Red. I don't know. The white one. The burgundy. Not bad. The pink actually looks quite cute. I feel like I should just stick to red because of the strawberry theme. Let me go add a few finishing touches. I'll be right back. Ta-da! Here's the final look. I couldn't find my other cow props that I used in the last video, so I had to make some new ones. I did the horns, the ears, and the little bell collar, and it's just out of this foam piece that I found. I don't know what it was for or what it's from, but be honest, what do you guys think? How did I do? TikTok filter picks my avatar makeup. Let's do it. Please be pink, please be pink, please be pink. Woo! Oh, brown. I'm going to use this contour stick as my base. Just put it all over. Ooh, it's like chocolate. Let me just blend it out. Here and here. Oh, I could really eat some chocolate right now. Quick, comment your favorite chocolate. Chocolata. I'm just going to use like a nude cream base. Ooh. On the nose, of course. All right, this is all my highlight points. Time to blend. Blend, 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 blend. Contour! I'm going to go in with a little bit of black. Cheekbones. A little bit more, please. Forehead. Some on the chin. The nose right here. Try and match up this side. Bring it through the crease and flick it out. Oh, it kind of just went brown. Blend, baby, blend. Ooh, smooth. Tap, 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 tap. Looking good. And I'm going in with powder bronzer contour, and I'm just setting my face, adding white eyeshadow to the lighter parts of my face. I like how it's looking, guys. I like it. Add in a bit of that lighter concealer shade. Let me go back in with the shading. I think I might just leave the brows how they are. And I don't think I want to add black because I don't want them to stand out too much. Time for the lines. Black eyeshadow. Maybe I should dilute it a bit with some brown eyeshadow. Okay, I can do this. I've done it 1,000 times. Well, not 1,000, but I've done it a lot of times. Start in the center of my forehead. A line straight down. Or straight up, and there, and here. Thicken these lines up and add a bit of shape. Got a bit of eyeshadow in the wrong place. Oh no! Now I'm just blending out the lines to kind of soften them up a bit because I don't like that they look too harsh, like a stingray tail. Adding the eyeshadow onto the eyelids as well. Now it's body time. Let's do the body. Let's do the body. Blending that in. Oh, let's move the straps. Top, 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 top. My collarbones. Now time for the body lines. All right, here. A fluffy brush. Fluffy. Blending the lines. That'll do. I think I should do yellow dots. Yeah. Random dots all over. Let's do a few over here. I definitely got carried away with the dots on the face. Looks like I have little fireflies all over my body. Dot, 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 dot. Time for the lenses. I already know I'm doing yellow. Oh, yes. There we go. Setting lens. Ooh. Oh. Oh, no. Yes. Eyelashes. I could add a tiny bit more yellow. Un poquito. Securing the first lash. Here. There we go. Ding, ding, ding. Right, I just want to quickly see how it would look if I add the white lashes. Ooh, very dramatic. This has got to go. Before I do the wig, I want to add a little bit of pink to the lips because I feel like it just kind of looks a bit meh on the nose as well. Okay, now it's wig time. I don't have a brown wig or a yellow wig, so the options are white or black, or I could just leave my natural hair, but I feel like that's a bit boring. There we go. First up, we got the white wig. It kind of matches the white eyelashes. This is the black one. I kind of feel like Scar with this color combination. Mufasa, long live the king. I think I'm gonna go with the white wig then. Let me go fix this wig and add some finishing touches. I'll be right back. Ta-da! Here's the final look. What type of avatar would I be? Spirit avatar? Wisdom? Healer avatar? Angel avatar? The possibilities are endless. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is it a cute or a fail? I couldn't find my long pointy elf ears or avatar ears. TikTok fails, pick my makeup. Let's do it. Eyeshadow first. Okay. Dark blue. Let me pick a second colour. Come on. What is that? White? Is it white? Blue and white? Dark blue and white. Definitely got to go with white on the inner corner, so I'm just doing a white eyeshadow base. Packing white eyeshadow right on top of it. Now for that dark blue. That's definitely way too much. All right, here. Here's the progress I've made so far. I just blended out the edges with a bit of a light blue. It's looking icy. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Let me add a bit of blue glitter as well. Ooh. Eyeliner. What is that? Like little clouds or popcorn? I don't know. Here. Oh, this is getting a bit messy. All right, I've done this eye as well. I kind of thickened them up and I feel like it looks a little bit better, but moving on swiftly. Freckles. Mushrooms! Yes! Don't ask me why I'm so happy. I just feel like they look really cute. Even though it doesn't really match the eyeshadow, but that's fine. Bit of red across the nose first. I've done my little mushroom outlines with white face paint. Now I'm just going to start filling it all in. Ooh! Just realised I probably should have painted it red first and then gone in with white. I'm just making it more difficult for myself. Trying to be as neat as possible. Add in the little red and white freckles. I think I've done enough. Time for the lipstick. Ooh, lining my lips. Going in with this red. I feel like it needs to be darker, so I'm gonna go on top with this shade. I need to add a few finishing touches, so who's ready to see the end result? Ta-da! I'm back. Here's the final look. It's grown on me. I kind of like it now. I was trying to decide between blue or red contacts, but the red contacts kind of made me look like a vampire, so I went with the blue. Kind of feeling like Harley Quinn with the blue and red striped hair. Added some cloud earrings to tie into the white on the makeup. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is it cute or a fail? Oddball filter makeup challenge. Let's do it. First, we need to get the filter on. Actually, it's kind of cute. Kind of cute. All right, let's get the headband done. Primer first. Here. Oh, come on. There we go. Move it in. It feels sticky or like tacky. Foundation. Here. Oh, only a little baby amount came out. Yeah. Hopefully that'll be enough. Oh, okay. Oh. Blend, 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 blend. This face. At least my teeth look nice. Very white. Concealer. Gosh, this filter is very blurred, isn't it? Because I can barely see my lines. Contour! Cheekbones first. Ooh. Look at the brush. It looks like a snake or a worm. Hair. Oh! Hair. There we go. Blush. Oh yeah. Alright, let's blend the concealer first. Just do a little extra blending just in case. Up in the corners. Yeah. Concealer. Oh no! I think I'm getting pink blush on my brush and it's going onto my forehead. No! Maybe it'll look fine. Let me just keep blending. Blend that blush and contour. And the other side. Let's get the forehead. Let's get the forehead. It looks like I have horns. Blend. Okay, now that we're all blended, I need to set me face. I'm going to use this mattifying setting spray because I haven't tried it yet, I don't think. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. Whew. I'm drenched. La 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 la. A bit of powder. Make it, make it, make it, make it, make it. And forehead. Eyeshadow. Alright, I need a white base first. Blend that all the way up. Up to my brow. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. And pink on this inner corner right here. The yellow. Very summery. The blue on the lid right here. Oh, that is blue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And a bit of pink shimmer to the inner corner. Eyeliner. Here. Oh, this is a bit risky. Let's fill this in. Ooh, join here. Oh no! It just looks a mess. Oh. Okay, that'll have to do. Can't forget eyebrows. Let's go for a sharper brow. Oh yeah. On this side. Lashes! These lashes are a bit extra, but so is the eye makeup, so like a match made in heaven. Ding ding ding! Lipstick. Okay. And here. Okay, not too bad once it's blended. Right, I think that's everything. Let me add a few finishing touches. I'll be right back. Hair's done. Right, now let's get this filter off. Ooh, okay. It actually looks way better than I thought. I mean, the eyeliner still looks kind of crazy on the ends there, but the eye makeup looks kind of nice. The base looks pretty good. Lips look pretty good. Overall, it's looking pretty good. But be honest, what do you guys think? Is it cute or a fail? Hit the like button before you go. Thanks for watching.